It was a fun story. I was working in the investment industry in Toronto. I'd sort of been in the institutional world for the entirety of my career, starting in about 2000. And I would say it was either late 2011, early 2012. I had been on the Motley Fool's mail list, and I noticed a note come through that they were looking for blog submissions. They were opening up a blog. So I was like, I'm a fan of the Fool, a longtime fan of the Fool. I'm doing this research anyway. Let's throw together a few words a couple times a month. They're paying $50 a submission. So I was like, just do this on the side type thing. So I did that for, I don't know, 6 to 8 months or so. Made 10 to 12 submissions, something like that. And then I let my employer know that I was doing this, and frankly, they weren't too pleased with that, with that situation. So I stopped and had all my submissions taken down. And then maybe a month or so later, an email arrived in my inbox from a fool in Australia, actually, and he was indicating that he had started the Australian business of the company, and he had been tapped to start a Canadian subsidiary as well. And I guess I had garnered enough attention with my submissions that they were interested in offering me that position. So that's kind of out of the blue. I never had any intention of working for the Fool, although I had, again, been a long-time follower. Early in my career, this was like, it was my lifeblood. I loved learning about investing from the Motley Fool. So it was a great full circle situation. And anyway, so that was August 2012, and I believe my first day was November 2012 that we really kicked off the Canadian business.